Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for chocolate mousse. This is a lovely recipe and it's really delicious. Will warn you, it does contain raw eggs. If you have a problem with that, make sure that they are pasteurized, or if you are pregnant or have some sort of immune disorder, please don't eat this recipe. Okay, I'm just warning you. Look for a different one, but this one does contain raw eggs, just a warning. But it is really delicious, so let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 1 cup or 110 milliliters cold whipping cream, 200 grams milk or dark chocolate to taste, 3 eggs separated, 2 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla extract or 1.5 teaspoons vanilla sugar. Begin by separating the eggs into 2 separate bowls. Then cut the chocolate into small pieces and put it in a bowl and melt it in the microwave or over a double boiler. While the chocolate needs to be liquid, it cannot be too warm. It should be close to room temperature. Add the yolks to the melted chocolate. Then, in a large mixing bowl, whip egg whites and vanilla to soft peaks. Slowly add sugar. Beat to stiff peaks. Fold chocolate mixture into egg whites. Then, in another mixing bowl, whip whipping cream to soft peaks. Do not overbeat. Fold the cream into the chocolate mixture. Pour the mousse into serving dishes and place in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can make this up to a day ahead of serving, but not more than that because it really doesn't keep more than 2 days because of the raw eggs. This chocolate mousse sets up lovely. It tastes amazing and isn't too sweet like many desserts can be. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.